Good morning, class second. Welcome all of you. Today we will discuss the remaining part of the chapter. So let us start with the grammar fun. The sentence. Look at these pictures. Look these pictures. What is written here? The harvest is ready. Who will come to reap the harvest? The field. There are three groups of birds above. ये जो आपके पास दिए हैं these are groups of words, शब्दों का समूह है ये तीनों जो आपके पास दिए हैं ये सेंटेंस यहाँ इनमें से कुछ कंप्लीट सेंटेंस है कुछ इनकम्प्लीट है. So these are given here. Which group of the words make complete sense? इनमें से किसका जो है complete sense बनता है, पूरा मतलब बनता है कौन से group of words का. Here the group of words in 1 and 2 above make complete sense. So 1 and 2 the harvest is ready एक ये, second one who will come to reap the harvest इन दो का complete sense यहाँ पे बनता है. So these are sentences, इनको बोलते हैं sentences, वाक्य. So a sentence is a group of words which makes complete sense. Sentence क्या है आपके पास? A group of words, शब्दों का समूह which makes complete sense. Which makes जिसका बनता है एक complete sense, पूरा मतलब. It begins with a capital letter. कैपिटल लेटर से शुरू होगा ये देखिए यहाँ पे टी कैपिटल. एंड एंड्स विद अ फुल स्टॉप, एंड में फुल स्टॉप लगेगा देखें इस तरह से यहाँ लगा है. सो दिस इज अ सेंटेंस. इट इज़ ऑलवेज एन एक्शन वर्ड. इट इज़ ए एक्शन वर्ड. इसमें आपको बताया जाएगा कि क्या एक्शन हो रहा है. सो रिलेटेड टू दिस हियर इज टिक द बॉक्स विच group of words make complete sense, that is sentence. First one, a pair of fowls lived in bushes. It is a complete sentence. Chickens were born. चूजों का जन्म हुआ था. It is also a complete sense. Help of my brothers. No, the fowl family. The eggs hatched. It's a complete. A few days. No, I will reap. मैं खुद काटूंगा. The fowl family moved away. So these are the sentences that are complete. Next one. Rearrange the words to make complete sentence. Do not forget to use capital letter and full stop. We have to rearrange these. So the first one will become as I will seek the help of my brothers. मैं अपने भाइयों की सहायता लूँगा. Second, the chicks grew up. चूजे बड़े हो गए थे. We should not worry. हमें चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. थर्ड वन, फोर्थ वन, वी मस्ट मूव. अब हमें जाना चाहिए. फिफ्थ वन, द हार्वेस्ट वुड बी रीप्ड. फसल काट दी जाएगी. सो यू हैव टू राइट दिस क्वेश्चन ऑन योर नोटबुक एंड दिस डेफिनेशन of a sentence. You have to write this definition of sentence on notebook and also write these two examples. This one, the harvest is ready, and this one, who will come to reap the harvest. These are the examples you can write with this definition of sentence. What is there next? This is creative writing. You have to look at the pictures and complete the story. Take help from the hints given beside the picture. This is work for you. You have to done it yourself by taking the help of your parents. And what is the next one? It is speaking time. It is to enhance your conversation ability in English language. So here is given. Two friends are meeting after a long time. Pinku, whoa, long time, no see. Where have you been? See you after ages. इसमें क्या है, दो दोस्त मिल रहे हैं और वो बात कर रहे हैं कि तुम कहाँ थे। एक दोस्त दूसरे को बोल रहा है इतने दिनों से तुम कहाँ थे, दिखे ही नहीं, बहुत अरसा हो गया है तुम्हें देख के। सो यू कैन ऑल्सो हैव दिस काइंड ऑफ कन्वर्जेशन एट योर होम with your parents, with your neighbors or friends to enhance your speaking ability. And next is the activity. You can also perform this activity or do this activity. It is about to make paper bag tiger. Paper bag tiger. The material you will need is a brown paper bag, felt pen, old newspaper pieces, a rubber band. So here is given the procedure. You can read this procedure with the help of your parents and try to make this paper bag tiger. So with this we have complete your lesson. So do whatever is instructed to you. Thank you. Have a wonderful